Okay, this one's for Half Pint, because she's being so cute. Yeah, she's awake, but her brother and sister are not. Come here, Half Pint. Half Pint. It's bedtime. Everybody's supposed to be asleep, Half Pint. It's Halo. This is Hiawatha and Half Pint. She's looking for trouble. I'm looking for trouble. No, don't get out of bed. No, we're going to bed. Go to bed, little kitten. Go to bed. Yeah. We gotta go retrieve your mom.